Up next, we have, let's see, Zippo ad design. Let's see what that looks like. Yes, it's kind of a retro, maybe 60s-esque classic design for Zippo with a nice backdrop on a matte black Zippo. We will get this ready. I believe this was gifted to me brand new from the Zippo website, and that this is a modern design. Check the bottom. And it's going to be a 2023 Zippo. That nice Zippo snap. And we're going to take out that flint. So this was bought brand new from the Zippo factory, and the Zippo was made in 2023, but the insert was made in 2024. It's always interesting when those two kind of don't match up, but that's just how it is sometimes from Zippo. They probably use, Zippos that were made from last year, get new designs on them, print on them, and then put them in modern inserts. If that makes sense. But confident, beautiful Zippo. Glad to have it in my collection.